everyone, it's Tammy and it's time to open up our Boxycharm for the month and see what is inside. So this is a monthly subscription and oh, this is cute. Lave and Rose. I don't know what that means, but I might look it up. So it tells us what we got, tells me what I got in this package. Oh my goodness, and I'm already loving it. And this is, like I said, a monthly subscription, and I pay for the year, so I don't know exactly how much it is a month. I'm going to guess about $25, $20 maybe. But you can look it up on Boxycharm, and they give you 5 full-size somethings every month. And look at this. This is powder and soft glow, excellent for wet and dry product, waterproof, metallic handle, sturdy aluminum, secures buttons or bristles, and professional quality fibers. There's a powder and a soft glow brush inside, it looks like, made from Mota. And let's see what it says about it on this. Your new Mota 2-piece powder and soft glow kit is the ultimate dynamic duo. The 2 brushes were designed to give you your desired look. The elegant rose gold tapered handles and 2-toned synthetic brush hair make the brush set the perfect addition to your brush collection. This retails for $30, and this is beautiful. I don't even know if I'd call it rose gold or if I'd just call it like a metallic pink. It's a very pinky. This one's for soft glow. I don't know what that means. I don't know what you would use this for exactly. So if any of you guys know, let me know. And then this one, it says powder. And that's, I guess, what I would use that one for. But they're very pretty and very nice. And yeah, I like them. So that is that. And what is this one? Lift Off Purifying Brightening Peel Off Mask by Wander. And this says, contain a blend of skin-loving acai, hohi berry, blueberry, a bunch of different things. This instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. Excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed, minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. The rose gold skin-saving peel-off mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion. So that's that one. And I do like masks, so I'm good with that. This is very interesting. Liquid eyeshadow in gold, and it's by Appeal. This highly pigmented liquid eyeshadow is exactly what your vanity was missing. The liquid formula adds a multi-dimensional shimmer to your eye look, giving you that sparkle that looks almost unachievable. And this retails for $21. I forgot to tell you, this is $34 for this, which I would never pay for a mask like that, but okay. I'm going to try to open this and see what this looks like. I'm not into gold eyeshadow, but I would think that if I used it like as a base and then put my other color over it, it might work. It is very glittery and pretty. So I'm going to let that dry and see how that looks. And then I will... Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick by Ofra. And it says, Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick is the one-step full lip color that does not feather. This vibrant color will give you a vivacious new look. They are creamy and soft in texture, moisturizing the lips and creating a long-lasting lipstick effect. No need to use liner. This liquid lipstick gives you a beautiful edge to your lip look. And this retails for $20. Kind of clumpy. My first impression. Okay, maybe it was just... Alright. Let's see here. No, it's pretty, and it goes on very smoothly. We'll see how that looks too. And finally, what's this? Color FX Perfector Face Palette. 6 must-have complexion essentials in one travel-friendly palette. This talc-free formula provides seamless blending and flawless application. Sculpt with contour, blush it up and eliminate. Woo-wee. Blush it up and illuminate with 2 shimmering highlighters. Find your perfect finish with the brightener and finishing powder for a glowing, multi-dimensional look everywhere and anywhere you go. So I guess, and this is a glow kit, so I wonder if I wouldn't use this for the brightener and the highlighter and stuff. Maybe that's what this is for. I will give this a try. I am not sure how to use the highlighter and the contour and all of that, so I'm not sure, but I like it. And this retails, it says, for $45. And it's the light to medium, which is perfect for me. Starlight, Moonbeam, Divine, Stellar, Sublime, Silhouette. Pretty colors, or pretty names. So yeah, that's kind of neat. I think this box was a success. Let's see how this is doing. So, oh my. Yeah, neither one of them even want to wipe off. Not even, I mean, I'm pushing pretty good here. The lipstick will, but that eyeshadow is really stuck on there. I mean, I got a lot of it off, but you can still maybe see some of the shimmer. I think that's kind of cool. So yeah, I will definitely try that. So thank you, Boxycharm. I think you did good this month, and I am excited to try these. Very nice, very nice. So so for your $20 or however much it is a month, you get a lot of bang for your buck if you paid retail price, which I would not do that, but still very nice. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.